Here's Chocolate, who's a major snuggler. She was actually also a helper dog. Whee! She came in with another dog. She is sick now, so we must try and help her. She's cracking me up, sorry. She gets zoomies and then she just falls over. She gets the highest praises from some of the volunteers here. She is not an adoption, so we are all she has. It'd be wonderful to help her get out of here. You know, helper dog, good saver. She has everything going for her. Perfect snuggle companion for the winter time. Come on, sweet girl. Little ball playing action going on. Get those zoomies out of you. She's a hidden treasure here in Manhattan. Come meet Chocolate. The helper dog.